the impeachment resolution came up under special privilege, and I mean that was really a big thing for Dennis to do, because this really is about the state of our constitution and saving our constitution. When it comes to healthcare, it's really about using this campaign as the vehicle for your message. That if you really need healthcare, if you really want healthcare, if you're fed up of seeing people sick on the streets, of the mentally ill just being cast out, or the mentally ill being put into prison because they can't go into hospital, then you really have to get everybody you can to stand up for themselves. And not to see this campaign is about personalities. I can clearly tell you from my heart, Dennis Kucinich is the best personality up there. He's the most beautiful and most handsome personality up there, both inside and out. But it's not about personality. It's really about policy, and it's about leadership. It's about vision, foresight, clarity. It's about representation. So as soon as we can get this whole American Idol, Hollywood, I'll vote for who I think is going to win nonsense out of our heads and start voting for who we want, we will get healthcare, we will get peace in the Middle East, we will get sustaining the environment, stopping climate change. We will get a break that not only the insurance companies have over this system, but also private contracting firms, the oil industry, all of these things. Because when the people and their leader align, they are stronger than any other interest. Only the interest groups in Washington can have power when the people fall out of the system. When we decide to leave the system because we're so disgruntled with it. I hear so many people saying, I used to be a member of the Democratic Party, now I'm an independent because I'm fed up with the Democratic Party. Well, you know what? If Dennis Kucinich wasn't running as a Democrat, you would have every right in the world not to vote in this Democratic primary. But you know what? He is. He is running, and the nation has a clear choice. He is the independent within the party. He is the Democrat within the Democratic Party. He's a person who represents the people in the Democratic Party. He's the Green in the Democratic Party. He is all of these things. So if we can be big enough to overcome what the party structure is about and start to say, we have the power to reclaim our system. We have the power to reclaim our democracy. We have the power to reclaim our party. And anyway, whatever. Forget the party. We've got the power to reclaim our constitution and our nation and our moral values and our aspirations and our dreams, because this land was based on the American dream. I understand this from being an immigrant. I understand what I saw when I was in the United Kingdom as a child, looking to America, looking over at places like San Francisco that we used to have documentaries on that had wonderful recycling programs, and I thought, oh, if only England could do those kinds of things. And now, with all of this nonsense that's been going on, with people falling out of the system, we're giving more and more power to the people who we don't want power to be in the hands of. And we can really claim that back. So 676 can go through. And it is a movement. And whenever you say, oh, but, as you hear the leaders of whoever, when you hear the Hillary's, Edwards and Obamas of this world speaking nonsense, saying that, oh, well, we just, haven't got the power to fight the insurance companies, that's because they haven't got the policy that the people want. When they have the policy that people want, they can get rid of the insurance companies. They simply do not want to.